Oil to tablespoon. 2 green chili chopped. Beef minced to 150 grams. Fry until color change. Add 2 teaspoons ginger and garlic paste. Cover and cook 2 minutes. Fry until water drying. Add 3 to 4 medium-sized onion chopped. Add salt to taste. Crushed cumin, 1 teaspoon. Add turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Add red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon. Mix all ingredients. Add green coriander to tablespoon. Samosa filling is ready. Complete cool. Make slurry with flour and water. 2 tablespoons flour. Set aside. Samosa sheets as required. This healthy and delicious samosa, make and freeze. Make and freeze these samosa for 2 or 3 weeks. Make and freeze these samosa for 2 or 3 weeks.